Guys, so today we have this new toy for my sister. It is the Slimy Scented Collection. So I guess they smell like something. But basically there's 9 different things. As you can see, 9 different things right there. 9 different slimes. At the back you can read what they are. There's blueberry smoothie, green apple lemonade, everfoam, soft clay, slimy, ice cream, and more ice cream. Alright, so let's open it. Get scissors or a knife. Make sure to ask a trusted adult to get it open for you.
Slime.
Whoa! Wow! Let's take off. My sister's so excited. Okay, wait. No, wait. Okay, wait. Okay. Wait. Okay. Daria, take this one out. Okay, one at a time. Alright, let's open it. Do you need help? Okay. Wait, it's got paper. Wait, plastic. Okay. Wow. Let's feel it. Oh, it's so soft, guys. Wait, does it smell like anything? Wait. Oh, it smells nice. Wait, let's get it out. Okay.
It's a strawberry.
Let's get it all out, guys.
Bah.
Wow, this is so cool, guys.
Soft? It's not sticky.
Yeah.
No.
You like it? Yeah? Wow.
I like the switch.
Yeah, it's so
Oh,
soft.
guys.
Look sound.
Oh, guys, this is so nice. It's got a nice pink colour. Alright, guys, let's get the next one. I'll open this one. This is... It smells okay.
Smells like blueberry.
Let's get this one out.
Is it? What's this smell?
Like milk.
Guys, it looks so nice, guys. The nice blue colour, wow. And it smells so nice. Yeah, so soft. Alright. Let's put this one back in here so they don't mix. There we go. Put it back in there so they don't mix.
And this one.
Okay. Well, that one was really cool, guys.
This is rainbow
Wow.
slime.
Daria, pass me the lid. Oh, the ice cream. That looks so nice, guys.
Look.
Wow, this is so cool.
It's purple and
Wow.
blue and pink.
Guys, let's open this. Alright, where's the open?
It's a rainbow
Yeah,
slime.
rainbow slime.
No.
Yeah,
My
you like it?
favorite. My favorite color.
What is your favorite color, Daria? Pink and
Purple
purple.
and blue.
Blue.
Guys, I can't open this.
What is your favorite color, Parsa?
My favourite colour? My favourite colour is red.
Red.
Me do. I don't know.
Oh, I can't open this. It's not good.
Okay.
Yeah, my mom's gonna do it. Oh, thanks.
Okay.
Oh. Wait.
It's jelly.
Jelly. I want.
Wait, Dario, wait.
Well,
Wait. Oh. There. What does it feel like? Oh. What is this?
It's squishy.
What is this? Oh, it smells so good.
Oh, this is squishy. It's wet. Yeah.
I'm gonna wash my hand.
Not
No,
now,
you
not
can
now. After.
do later.
As
Yeah.
It's like sticky.
Yeah.
It's like a sticky worm.
Yeah. Sticky worms.
Let's get it all back in. Oh, this is so cool. There, put your hands on here so it comes off.
Holly.
Oh. Wow.
This is stretchy.
Oh. Oh. Wait.
Sticky. That's sticky.
Yes.
It's written in the slime. It's sticky pasta.
Yeah. Wow, this is so cool. What's this?
This is.
Oh, I think you have to mix it. Yeah, you have to mix it. Wait. Let's put it back in. We'll mix it later. Let's look at all the slime first, then we'll mix it. Let me open it. Wait. Okay, wait. Let me put this.
It's purple.
My favorite color.
Green.
Okay, let me open it. Yeah, that's blue.
It's blue?
Yeah, blue.
I can't.
No, it's
There's blue.
Green.
Yes.
Yeah.
Blue.
and pink.
Ah, let's open this one now. Okay.
Here's the scissors.
Wait. There we go.
Ew.
Wait there. Wait. I think we have to mix it in with the slime.
It's
Oh!
sticky.
Wait. Let's take it out.
Where's the monocle?
Okay. Wait. Oh. Wait. I think we have to mix it in. Put them in there. Okay, wait. Okay, yeah. Oh.
It has sound.
Mix in the foam. Wait.
Nah, smack.
No, wait.
Eh.
Now we have to mix it like this. Whoa, why does it sound like that? There, sit down. Oh.
Nah.
Guys, listen.
I want this one.
Oh, why is it so stretchy? Whoa.
I
Whoa.
want this one now.
Okay, wait. Let's put this back in here.
Another one.
Oh!
The sound
Guys, listen. Okay, wait. Let's just put these in here. Guys, listen. Okay, next one, guys. There, sit down. Let's open this one now. Right. Okay. Wait, no. Wait. Let's take the foil off first.
Have some.
Okay, wait. Let me do it. Oh,
Why not look at that?
okay. Alright. Wait. Let's see what this one smells like. Wait. Ugh.
What?
It's so wet. Wait, guys. Oh. It's not not that stretchy. Yeah.
Yucky, like a jelly.
Okay. Get the next one.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, what's this? Guys, let's open this one. Oh, wait.
I want to open it.
Wait. Don't do that. Wait. We don't want to make a mess. We want to keep everything clean and tidy. Wait, let's just pour them in there. Let's open this. Wait. Ah, stuck. Yeah.
It's paper.
Upside.
Oh, there we go.
I want to do it.
Ah.
Oh, so it's stretchy.
Wait. Oh, that one smells nice. Wait,
I want to wait.
let's mix it. Let me take it out.
I want to do these.
Wait, let's take it out.
Now let's smash.
Oh, it's not coming out. This one's not that good. It's really cool though. Just get it out. Let's just leave the rest in there. Doesn't matter. Right,
Daya,
let's
mix
No, I
it.
want to do it.
pour it. Wait. Let's open it all. Okay, pour it. Okay, wait, yeah, that's... Okay, wait, there, watch. Let's mix it. Let's mix it in. Wow, so cool. There, mix it. Mix it. Wow, that's so cool. Let me try this. Wow, let's mix it. That's so cool, guys. Let me try. Wait. Oh, why is it not doing it for me? No. Let's just stretch it. See how? Whoa, this one's the best one, guys. This one. Wait. Don't let it fall. Wow, that's so cool. Oh yeah. Okay.
I got it like a
Listen to
jelly.
the sound.
Wow, this is so cool, guys. Okay, there, put it back. Let's
I make the orange.
next one.
I want to do it.
Wait. Let's put this one in here.
I want to do it.
Oh.
Tiring.
Okay. There, wait. Let's. Wait, no. Wait. Don't do that. Let me cut it.
Mama.
Oh, wait, no. Wait, there, no. Leave it there. We have to open this one first. Right. Let's go to the tab.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at this
Yeah.
one.
Oh. Okay, there we go. Open it. Wow. Let me try. Wait, I can smell it. Wait. There, pass. Wait. Oh, wait. I'll stretch it.
It's hard.
Yeah. It's very hard.
I'm making a pizza.
What's the color?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Wait, Dario. Now let's mix these. Wait. Let's try some of this. Look, guys. Look at this orange slime, guys. Red, pink, orange. Just like that color. There. Like, wait, no. Okay. Oh.
Daya, what color is it? Daya.
Blue.
Blue. What color is it? This is slime. What color is this slime?
Pink.
That's pink.
Pink. And this one?
Purple.
Purple.
Guys, look at this. Oh.
I want to mix these.
What color is it, Daya? This one?
Green.
Green.
Oh, this is so cool. Let's
Yes.
just mix it. Okay. Okay, guys. Alright, let's just put these in there. Just keep mixing.
Wait, guys, I'm gonna show you something. Let's take out this wrap.
Don't mix it, don't mix it. Okay.
Yeah. Oh,
Wow.
look at this.
It's fucking...
Look at this. It's
Guys, look at my
slimy.
hands. Wow.
It's soft.
Oh. Oh no. No, that's not good. Okay. There, pass. Should we mix it? No. Oh. That's too late. It's already mixed.
Daddy.
Let's just mix this one. Put the other ones away. Don't mix anymore. Okay. Let's mix them.
I want that one. I want this one now.
Oh yeah, that one. I forgot about that one.
Pink again.
Guys, look. This feels so nice, guys. Watch. Oh, it's so stretchy, bro. Guys, this one looks so cool. Oh, it's sticking everywhere now. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, guys. Oh, wow, this-
Sticking really bad.
yeah. Wow. Guys.
Slime everywhere.
Oh, this is so cool, guys. It's sticking everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stick everywhere.
Let's get some of these.
No, but
Okay.
I want the pink one.
You want the pink one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's pass. Let's open it.
I want the
Let's just get them. I haven't got any blue ones yet.
Where's the cut? Where's the cutter?
Ah. Oh, wait. You want to
Where's the
open it?
scissors?
Let me open it. Okay.
Where's the scissors?
Okay. Wait.
Look at this one.
Bubbly.
Bubble.
Guys, look at this. Oh.
It doesn't smell strawberry.
What color is it, Daria?
Oh!
It's pink.
Guys, look at this.
Parsa.
Wow, it's so stretchy.
Parsa.
Oh yeah. No, don't make it. No. Oh.
Nothing. It's not sticky.
Yeah, put it on the table.
Sticking everywhere. Let's just get this off. I think we put too much, guys.
Yeah, it's too much.
Yeah. That's fine. Yeah, this is way too much.
I'm mixing green and pink
Oh, this one smells nice.
together.
Okay. 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 Wait, let's put this back. Oh, sticking everywhere. Oh!
It's so messy.
You should clean up, man.
Yeah.
Ba, 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 ba.
Wow. Okay,
Back.
let's put this on here.
Oh!
Oh, guys, look.
Look at this.
Yeah.
I
This
look
is
like an
sticky.
atom. If you guys.
Look at this.
I got
Wow.
atoms around me. Oh, I do. Oh.
It's so strict.
I'm a baby. Shikala.
Here, let's get this one.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! Okay. Wait. Right there. Leave it.
It has a nice smell.
Wait, guys, look, this is purple too.
Oh, don't.
Put that one there.
No. I need a little bit yellow.
No, don't mix it. Don't mix it. No,
I need a little bit.
don't mix it. Oh! Yes. Oh,
It's satisfying.
yeah.
Lassa, you got something in your hand sticks.
Guys, look. Look, watch. Put them back. These ones are good for clay, not the slime.
I love this one.
You love it?
Yeah.
Oh, sticking everywhere, guys.
Let's make them ball.
Guys, look, I have purple fingers now. Hello. Oh. Oh.
This sound.
Mine too.
Guys, listen. Wait, listen.
I'm making pizza. I'm making pizza.
Same, I'm making pizza too.
Yes.
Pizza chefs.
I'm making donut, guys.
Let's flatten the pizza.
I need a little bit.
No, don't mix it.
I'm going to put it inside it.
It's pizza.
Yeah. Guys, look, we got some cheese. Put some cheese on there. Some cheese on my pizza. Almost cheese. Some
I make
cheese,
the donut.
some blue cheese.
Wow, it's so delicious.
Some pepperoni.
But don't eat it. It's a slime.
Some pepperoni, guys.
Donut.
Look, guys, some
I'm
pepperoni.
pretending
This is
to
my
be
pizza.
a donut, bro.
Ooh, this one's not good, guys. Look. This one's not good. This one can't stretch, guys. No. I think we should mix this one. This one we should mix. Guys, look. Should we mix it? Look, too pink. Yeah, let's mix it. Now it's going to be stretchy.
Look, Daria.
Oh.
It's jelly.
I don't like jelly.
You don't like jelly?
Yeah.
Why are you lying?
It's so yum.
Oh, guys, look. Too pink.
Yes, it's a stretch.
Look at this. Ew.
Guys, we should mix the purple and the purple as well.
No, it's different.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, this is sticky.
Oh.
Look, Daria. Look. Take it.
Guys, look. My hands, guys.
Yeah. Is it good?
Just mix them all.
You added too much.
This is not good, guys. I don't like this one.
Why? You don't
Look
like
at
it?
this.
It doesn't.
Look at this.
Yeah, that one's good. This one's the best. This one's my favorite one.
It's a stretchy.
Pass it.
Be careful, Daria.
Wait, no, wait. Okay.
Yes, it's hard.
Yeah, I don't like that one. Bless you. Put it in. Put it here. Put it here.
I need a bit.
Okay. Hey guys, this is my slime. This is my special slime.
Daria.
Not Daria's, this is my one. Oh. Oh. Oh.
It's a stretchy. Look.
Guys, look at my necklace, guys. Wait, let's put some beads on my necklace.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Oh, what a nice necklace.
I need so much.
What did you make, Daria?
Oh.
Hmm?
Smelly cheese.
Smelly cheese?
Smells nice.
Let's mix it all together at the end, guys. It's already, look at that one. This one's all mixed
You
up.
can't, no, you can mix this one together.
Yeah, let's mix it.
But no blue.
Guys, at the end, let's just mix all of them. It'll be so fun, guys.
I want to make a bubble.
Yeah. Let's get this one too.
You can.
Look at this, guys.
Oh.
I gotta look like it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Stickies in my hands. I ain't got no wash my hands.
Guys.
I want this one.
You can mix this one, Daria. Together.
I'm gonna wash my hands. See you later. I'm gonna wash my hands.
You can do it later, Daria.
Oh, guys, look at
Mm.
it. Oh.
One on my foot.
Oh. This is so cool, guys. Yeah. Okay, let's mix these two. Ah.
Make a noisy
And then
slime.
Yeah. This one's so cool,
If
guys.
you put this together, it make noise.
No, don't mix it. Don't mix it. All of them. Ah. Guys, this one looks so nice.
I'm Jenny.
Oh, my hand's hot, guys. Ah.
Let's get it perfect. It's down to perfect.
Yeah, it looks nice. We should mix it all now.
This is my pussy.
It's hard.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's
I got
really
my
stretchy.
smash it.
I like this one. I don't want to
Good.
mix it. I really like this one. Oh,
It's noisy.
oh, I made such a mess, guys.
Should clean up.
Oh. Ah. Oh. Yeah. That's so nice, guys. Oh, did you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh, I found the bead, guys. Let's mix it in.
That works brown. Hassan, what have you done?
Guys, should we mix it? They
No!
look-
It's mine.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, let's mix this one. Let's
No,
mix
No. Leave it for Daria.
Oh, yeah. Don't. Okay. There, that's your slime. This is my slime. Okay, let me make my slime, guys. Watch this. There, can I have some yellow?
Yep.
Thanks. Take some. Take some yellow, mix it in there. Ah, take some purple. Let's put in the stop mixing it up.
It's so messy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woody.
It's like a spider web. Hello?
6.
Let's fill up this spot with hope. There's another one. I'm making slime.
Okay, guys, look. Oh. There you go.
What are you doing, Dario?
Mixing up the yellow.
Hey guys, look.
And stuck, guys.
It's hard or soft?
Soft.
Sophie.
Guys, where did it go? Look, guys, watch. Wait, no, wrong way. Guys, look, wait. Watch. Oh. Guys, look.
I'll make that.
Yeah.
I'll make that.
Mm.
I'll make that.
Okay, let's take this off. Let's take this off.
Body. And a purple.
It's like a volcano, Dario.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a gun.
Oh. Ooh. You farted.
This
Oh.
There's a side. There's a bubble. Wait. And a bubble.
Glob, cool up.
Where's it go?
Oh, guys, look. Do you like my ice cream? So nice.
Yeah.
It's nice ice
It's
cream.
blueberry ice cream.
Yeah.
Look, where's a gun?
Guys, who wants to try my ice cream? Wait, there, wait.
Aye.
This. There's. Who likes my slime ice cream?
Where's the gun, guys?
Dario. You fall.
Here's the slime monster.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Guys, oh no. No.
Where's the gun?
Yeah.
I can make it bigger.
Oh.
Take
I can't
this
get
off
it up.
slime.
It's tough.
I'm making it bigger. Yeah. 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 Here. Where's the gun?
There you go, guys. Fixed.
So.
Should we mix it now, guys? Should we mix it? All of it. Okay. Okay.
Where's it gone?
That's Darius' slime. This is my slime, guys. My slime is nice and stretchy. Guys, if you want to see more slime videos, make sure to like and
I
subscribe.
don't have any slime now. I can see a slime now.
Anyways, guys, I hope you guys like it. Subscribe, see more videos. Bye, guys. Oh, bye, guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.